Hi, fifth grade. Today we're going to be working on some math. So please get out your fifth grade math home review packet. And we're going to be working on some day 5 questions. So we're going to be on this page. All right, open it up and let's begin. Day 5, question 3. What is the decimal number that will round to 17.9 when rounding to the 10th place? So you get to get a little creative here. If I am trying to round a number that would end up being 17.9, I need to decide what's going to be right here. Whatever number I put here is going to tell the 9 to either stay the same or round up. And we want it to stay the same. So what numbers tell the 9 to stay the same? Anything 0 up to 4. So you could put any number. I think I'm going to choose to put 2 here, but you could put 3, 4, 1, or 0. Number 4. Choose 2 numbers that round to 50.92 or 50 and 92 hundredths when rounding to the nearest hundredth. All right, we're rounding to the nearest hundredth. So our first step is to always start there. So on our first number, I start at the hundredths place, which is the 2. If I look next door, what does that 9 tell the 2 to do? It tells it to go up. So that 2 turns into a 3. So it does not end up having 50 and 92 hundredths. It ends up rounding to 50 and 93 hundredths. So that's not right. Let's go over here. We've got 50.913. Go to the hundredths place. Always start there. Look next door. We need this 3 to either round up or stay the same. What do y'all think? The 3 tells the 1 to stay the same. So it does not round up to be a 2, which means this is not an answer as well. Remember, we want in the hundredths place there to end up a 2. Okay, right here we've got the hundredths place. We're starting with the 2. Now, does this 1 tell the 2 to round up or stay the same? You're right. It's going to stay the same. So this is our first correct answer, 50 and 92 hundredths. Here we go. Let's find the hundredths place. The 1 is in the hundredths place. If we look next door at the 4, what does that 4 tell the 1 to do? If you said stay the same, you are correct, which means this number rounds to 50 and 91 hundredths. Again, not what we're looking for. Put a little X there. Alrighty, where's my hundredths place? Where are we starting? Right there. Look next door at the 6. That 6 tells my 2 to do what? Tells it to round up. So this ends up rounding to 50 and 93 hundredths, which is not what they're looking for. And finally, let's find our hundredths place. Let's look next door. That 8 tells our 1 to round up. So when we round this to the nearest hundredth, we get 50 and 92 hundredths. So that is our second correct answer.